chain in the.
Now you can do it. Morning, guys. So this morning we are going to my cousin's graduation at CC. Say hi, guys. Yes, so we're gonna have fun today, take pictures, and yeah, so we're on our way. Kinda late, but it's a late than never, right?
Proceed with it, I'm in the house, got the deed with it. These bozos always sneak this and they taking shots, I'm a keen with it. Like, no, this league business. Who you really know? I've been moving under O's. Yeah, my connect is way up. I don't keep it on the low. So tell my fam I'll be okay. I sleep right where that reaper play. Even if I DOA, I wake up and I see glory. Excuse my friend, she will play. Ain't no bench, we don't play. You might catch me on the A and the verse like Salt Bay. Ay.
One eternity later.
Alright, so we just arrived at Laura's graduation.
Many hours later.
Leo, let's say hi to my vlog. Hi, Laura. How does it feel to be graduated, girl? Great. It feels great. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, Lori, so what are your thoughts on your graduation?
It was kind of boring, but I
Woo! And about the graduation song that you hated so much, how was it?
Then singing with vibes, then of course singing with vibes.
I know she hated it so good. Yes, I was upstairs. It sounded great.
Me ready, me hungry.
Alright guys, later. It was my first vlog ever. I had fun filming. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications for a shout out. Then comment down below and tell me if you have done that, and I will give you a shout out in my next video. So until next time, guys, peace.